Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Sienna. We'll be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 856083. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see the white covering here. That'll be on both sides of the mount. You'll want to peel that white cover, and that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing is that this mount does come in two halves when you get it. You can see the seam kind of splitting the mount right down the center here. You'll want to put the two halves together and then fasten them with this plate that comes in the kit. And that's something you want to do before you put the mount on the dash. When you remove the mount from the package, you'll notice you have a few different pieces. You have the two halves of the actual mount, and you'll have the retention plate with screws and an Allen wrench. So our first step is going to be to put the mount together. You take one half, and then you're going to take your plate and one of the screws. You can put the screw in through the hole, and now we're going to attach it to this side of the mount using the Allen wrench that was included. So now we've got the plate on. We're going to take the other half of the mount and we're going to attach them together, and you see they'll fit together just like puzzle pieces here. And you want to make sure you're matching the same faces. So we got the smooth side on this side matches the smooth side on this side. You do not want to put the textured rough side with the smooth side on the mount. So we're going to do that, and then all we have to do is put in the last screw in here and tighten it down using the included Allen wrench. There we go. The mount is put together and we can proceed with the installation. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is pretty easy. It just fits over the back of the screen here. So we're going to start on the passenger side. Basically, you want to get one of the arms down in place and then get the other one down. And you're going to have to press with your thumbs a little bit just to make sure it's all the way down and that the tape is sticking correctly to the sides. There we go. Now it's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.